Guys, it's Fancy. Sorry it's been so long since I last posted, but today I'm bringing a fun Halloween nail set. I'm starting out on the pointer finger. I'm just doing a full nail of white acrylic. You could also just do clear acrylic with a white gel polish or even a regular polish on top. But yeah, I'm doing that, and then I'm going to cap it in clear. And then for the rest of the nails, I'm just doing them in clear acrylic because I have some gel colors that I want to use and I don't have the right colors in acrylic. So I'm just doing that. So after all of those are finished and filed and buffed, I'm then going on to use my gel that I have. This is actually like a builder gel of sorts, I guess. But I don't have the regular gel polish for this. Works just the same. So I'm doing all the nails in these colors. I'm doing 2 coats of each color. Different gels you might have to do more, but these ones just needed 2. So after the gel is all cured, I don't put a top coat on yet, but I'm going in with some black acrylic paint and I'm just adding some stripes. So this nail design I actually saw on Pinterest. I wish I knew the person who posted it, but I forgot to save it. But it's basically I'm just going in with the paint and I'm doing some half moons or crescent moons and some little stars and then dots. I just thought this was a really cute design and I wanted to use it. What you don't see is that it took me about, I don't know, 10 times to get these crescent moons right. They are the bane of my existence and I hate them. But I did the best that I could. So I'm going in doing that. The stars were easy. I don't know. I have really shaky hands, so it makes it really difficult for me to do nail art. But I do give it my best shot. But yeah, this one's pretty simple if you have steady hands. So on this one, I'm doing a somewhat creepy skull. He kind of came out a little bit goofy. Don't come at me. I know I'm terrible at doing skulls, but I guess I just like to bring myself pain and agony and a little bit of anguish alongside that. So I thought I'd give this a go. I'm just doing some angry looking eyes. They're a little off center, but that's okay. We love him anyways. And I'm going, and then I do the nose, which I don't know. It looks weird. Please don't comment. I know it's weird. But I did the best that I could on this one, so I guess I get points for that. Yeah. So now I'm adding the gel polish. After that's cured, I remove the tacky layer, and because I'm the most indecisive queen on the planet, I decided that I wanted to add some more details, some little white highlights to the green nail and the orange nail. So I then go ahead and do that and then do a second layer of matte top coat. So this is the final product. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Leave a like, it really helps me out. I don't know, I really like this set. I normally don't go with matte, but I thought it would be different and cute. I'm really happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you get this set for yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay fancy.